Hello and welcome to the video presentation of workshop number 2 for the Carson Parks, Recreation and Community Services Master Plan. My name is Zachary Meading and I'll be guiding you through the presentation. The purpose of the Recreation and Community Services Master Plan is to provide a guide and an implementation tool for the management and development of parks and recreation facilities over the next 5, 10, and 15 years in the future. The document that we're developing is based on local community needs and information provided throughout our workshop series that we hear from the community. The process is broken down into 5 steps. First, we went through all of the recreation facilities to collect the inventory and find out what exists within the city of Carson. After that, the most important part, we reached out to the community to find out what their desires are in recreation facilities and programs throughout the city. Combining those two creates the needs analysis, where we balance the equation of what the community has and what the community wants. After that, we create the recommendations and pair those with funding and implementation strategies for the future. And what is a 10-month timeline? We're coming to the close of our outreach process here with workshop number 2 video presentation here in April. The final steps of this process will be to develop the needs assessment, package the report and presentation material, and deliver it back to the community through council and commission presentations. Prior to going out to the community, we looked at all of the existing documentation. What is the land use? What is the zoning? Where are parks located? And where is the community located? We looked at any existing information such as the 2020-2021 annual report, as well as the master plan of bikeways within the city of Carson. Another part of our background research includes the demographics. In 2021, we see that the population was reaching just under 100,000 people. We also look at the age distribution of the community, and we see the community ages from 35 to 64 make up 39% of that population. We also compare the population information to the county averages, and we see that there's an inverse relationship here to the county average, where the city of Carson has a greater population of senior adults, as well as a lower population of youth in compared to the county. Another element that we look at is the inventory of parks facilities. We find that the city has 16 parks distributed throughout the community, 4 public swimming pools, 5 community recreation centers, 1 county park with a swimming pool, 1 county golf course, 12 activity meeting rooms, and 1 skate park. We map out all of the facilities so we can see just what amenities and recreation opportunities exist to the community throughout the city of Carson. This way, as we hear information from the community, we compare it with what exists within their neighborhoods and what might need to be included as we start to develop further recreation facilities in the future. As part of our workshop series, multiple workshops were held in various council districts across the city, as well as online video presentations. This way, we're able to reach out to as much of the community as possible to make sure we hear every voice. So please, make sure you share your voice as well as this information with your friends, family, and other community members so that they might take part in the process as well. That community engagement includes stakeholder interviews, sports organization questionnaires, community workshops, both live in person as well as through video recordings such as this one, statistically valid surveys, as well as a project website. If you're seeing this video as part of the survey process, I encourage you to take the survey and share your thoughts and ideas on Carson Parks and Recreation in the future. If you're watching this video outside of the survey window, you can still go to the project website at carsonsurvey.com and click on the feedback button. There, you can share your thoughts and ideas on any information that you would like to share with us or ideas you may have in terms of future parks and recreation facilities. At the time of this video, you can go on the carsonsurvey.com website and see some of the information we've collected. We've posted results from the citywide statistically valid multimodal survey, as well as Workshop 1 survey results. At any point in time, you can go to carsonsurvey.com and click on the feedback button, share additional information, as well as ask questions of the planning team. This creates that two-way dialogue where we can really hear the community's voice and respond throughout the process to make sure we're understanding everybody's desires for parks and recreation within the city. Workshop number 2 is live from March 3rd through April 26th. I encourage everybody to click the link below or type the URL into your web browser. Take the survey and let us know your thoughts and ideas on what is the park you visit most and why. what park and recreation feature you'd like to see added or improved within the Carson community, as well as what program, class, or activity you'd like to see added within the city. Workshop number 2 survey will be live from March 3rd through April 26th. If you're watching this video during that timeline, I encourage you to click on the link below or type the URL into your web browser. You can also visit carsonsurvey.com to click on the Take Survey Now button. Or if you're outside that survey window, don't forget about that feedback button where you can share anything with the planning team at any point in time throughout the process. Remember to check in on the website for more information on workshop number 3 coming up late April, early May. We want to hear all of your voices, so make sure you click and share this information with your friends and family members throughout the community of Carson. Thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and ideas and the development of future recreation within the city of Carson.